Hello friends, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 websites for make a passive income online. If you comes online and want to earn some extra cash, so this website will be best suit to you, because in this video I'm going to show you 5 best websites which thousands of millions of people are using it, earning billions of USD dollars per day, per month and per year. So if you're excited what's coming up, make sure you like this video or to comment on this particular video. And if you want to earn a 500 to 1000 passive income day by day, just click on description first link for my #1 recommendation course about Google Ads. So if you don't know, subscribe my YouTube channel and you love to watch entrepreneurship videos, I make many other videos, so click on subscribe button below or click on bell notification so you always be updated when I uploading some videos. So let's get started. So the first website I have for you is Fiverr. Basically, it's a freelancing website where you can promote or sell your services. I mean, if you are good at graphic designing, you are good at the graphic designing, you are good to make a banners ads. So just come here and write banner ads. So when you search this particular term here, banner ads, now Fiverr show me the different gigs. Like gigs mean the different accounts and different people who are offering this service. Okay, banner ads. There are many businessmen are coming and finding different services for his needs. So you might be have any skill, like you are social media marketer, you are logo designer, you are flight distribution, you are Photoshop editor, you have might be any skill. Okay, it's not necessary for only a banner ad. Okay, so look how much people are judging. Let me click here and click on best selling. People who are best selling on this particular service. So $5, I will design professional web banner, head editors, covers. $5. This $5 are just simple because basically this banners are simple. You can easily design from canva.com, but this person is top rated seller and actually he did a great job. He never increased his price. Great job. That's why he got so much order, 10,000 almost order on this particular gig. So let me do some minimum calculation for you to motivate you guys. For example, this person, let's calculate 9,619 multiply 5. So this person generated 48,000 USD dollars. Okay, from this particular gig. So this is insane. Like you can also hire your friend who are just creating a banner for you in $5, and you will be promote here on $10 to $50, whatever you like. Okay, but this person are doing well. Okay, let's move another website, which is clickbank.com. Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketing website where you can grab the products and promote it from your special link, and when someone purchases your product from your link, you got a commission. The best thing about Clickbank is it's easy to pay, and the second thing is higher commissions. They are ready to pay you 75% 100 commissions on to your bank account directly. Okay, you can see there are some detail available here. You can just come here, create an account, and if you didn't watch my old video on Clickbank, so click on the I button on the top right corner on the right side, so you will watch my Clickbank product videos. So another website I have for you is maxbody.com. Basically, Maxbody is a CPA network where you can earn from different sources. Like you want like then CPA means cost production. There are many people who do CPA marketing. CPA is one of the best business right now in 2018 to earn more than $1,000 a day. People are earning $500,000 in 10 to 7 days because of this massive power platform. CPA marketing is a marketing where you can taken someone action from the link. For example, you have offer of survey, like you will get $50 when someone complete a specific offer from specific country. For example, a person from United States complete a survey of sofa set. Okay, they complete a survey of sofa set, and they completed from your link, so you got a paid. Okay, the high and the most targeted thing and the most difficult thing is clickbank, that you need to targeted traffic. For example, if the offer said that that the offer want only USA traffic, you just need to USA traffic for getting paid. But this is not an issue, because you have multiple options promoting this typical particular types of offers. Okay, look at say Blue Sky Auto Finance, $8 per lead. That means when someone come on this homepage from your link, put his or email, you got a $8. Okay, but the your traffic must be targeted. Okay, so look at the offer. There are many great offers, like $200 per lead. Like people are coming, they're putting his or email, you could $200 per lead. For example, you run a $20 or $50 ad on Bing and on Google AdWords, and only 100 people are coming on your lead, and only 20 people put his or email. So let me calculate. 200 multiply 20, so you got a commission of $4,000. So this is the power of CPA. Now skip that and let's move another one. The other website which I have for you is Amazon affiliate site. Basically, Amazon is the one of the most using a website for earning commission. You just need to join this, you just need to advertise and earn. But the most worst thing about Amazon, that they give you a very low commission, like only 10% on any product. Like if you're selling a $20 product, so you go like nothing, because you don't you have put your hard work, but you don't get nothing. But for example, you put $1,000 product, so you got a good commission. But the one of the best thing about Amazon, that Amazon site where people shopping daily, like they have all things that people want for his her life, like shampoos, like toothpaste, everything. So the best thing that you can promote anything you want, like even a mouse, even a pencil, even a small thing. Okay, this is the best thing about Amazon. That's why billions of bloggers are using this particular affiliate marketing term. So the last website I have for you, Upwork. Basically, Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can also promote and sell your services like Fiverr. But in this particular website, you go to our higher clients, like on animation you got the $1,000, on the animation you got the $2,000. Let me write animation. You want to be learner skill. Basically, if you want a passive income, like $1,000 a day or more than that, so you just need to learn some skill. You have a lots of options going on the platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Google. Search up particular terms, learn about that. Okay, so there are many people offering animation, like 100% jobs are like $40 per hour. Okay, if someone hire him for 24 hours, so he will earn too much, man. He completed 40 jobs. He total earned 4,000 plus USD from this particular one talented gig, one whatever you're saying. Okay, so there's a people are charging. You can do everything. Like if you want to do only YouTube comments, like people are hiring other guys to do comments on his channel, so you can also offer this particular small services here. You can be a social media marketer manager, like you are posting his photos on on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, okay, Snapchat. So you do whatever you want to do. Okay, this people is Instagram Pro Expert, SMM, social media marketer strategist specialist. So look at this guy. Okay, Pakistan. This is people from Pakistan here. Facebook API developer. Okay, so they are offering a very cheap. Basically, on this Upwork platform, you will get a very small task from a higher commissions. Okay, like let me write data entry and let's figure out what we get. So on data entry term, people are charging $1,000. Okay, data analyst, software development. Okay, like data entry, I will experience in my gym office, and this is super easy. Okay, $10 per hour. Look at this guy. Okay, look at this guy. I have got special idea web research. Like he just only search about some specific data of his client, and he got a good amount, like $30 per hour. So you can be calculate 24 hours to with that. Okay, so these people are earning too much amount of cash, too much money from small tasks. So you can also do Microsoft Excel. Okay, and basically this is a simple strategy. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below or share this video with your friend, and click on subscribe button with bell notification so you always be notified when I upload any type of video. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Everybody fucking, you know how